In some breaking news coming in, this is in the Kerala nun rape case. State government will file an appeal in the Kerala High Court against the Sessions Court order to acquit Franco Mulakkal in this case. In fact, the AG has conveyed the decision to the special prosecutor as well. Remember, the Sessions Court had acquitted Franco Mulakkal, the accused in the Kerala nun rape case. Those are the details here coming in. State government will now file an appeal in the Kerala High Court. Vivek is with us for more details here. Vivek, what can you tell us? This is, of course, this was expected that the High Court is going to be moved over this.
That's right. This is on much expected lines that the prosecution will appeal in the higher court ever since this acquittal had happened last week, which has even shocked the legal luminaries and senior police officers who was very sure that Franco Mulakkal will be convicted, was finally acquitted. They say that this is a clear-cut case which should be appealed in the higher court, and that's the reason why the Advocate General has conveyed this information to the special public prosecutor, who has also conveyed the same decision to the district police chief of Kottayam district, who was looking after this, who was heading this investigation. Remember, this is a much talked about case where a nun in the Kuravilangat convent in Kottayam in 2018 has alleged that Bishop Franco Mulakkal, at that point of time he was a bishop, but later he resigned, and he had sexually assaulted her 13 times in the span in between 2014 and 16. But the case has gone through several kind of points where there were protests against the bishop at various points. Even nuns within the church had protested against the bishop. This case had come up in the Kerala High Court earlier, when finally in the Sessions Court the verdict was in against the prosecution. This has come as a major setback for the prosecution, and that's the reason why the prosecution has now decided to appeal this particular verdict, which is again the verdict given by the Sessions Court in the Kerala High Court. They say that's a fit case because they say they have produced all the materialistic, circumstantial and medical evidence to prove that the nun was sexually assaulted, and they have taken a statements, remember, for not just one day but for 7 days continuously. And R. Harishankar, who have been into the probe, has spoken just after the verdict that this case, the verdict of this case is something which is has come as a major shocker, as far as their team is concerned. And they say that this kind of verdict they have never seen in the history of Indian judiciary, and that's the reason why now the Kerala government and the prosecution feels that this is a fit case to file an appeal. Back to you.
All right, Vivek, do stay with us, though. We've got some more breaking news that's coming in.